did something. What movie was this? Parang was Reese part of the movie? First of all, thank you to all your fans. They're really
Yes,
supporting
thank
us.
you.
Maraming salamat. Because
Thank
we're trying to
you.
raise some funds via the virtual
Maraming
gifts of the fans for the benefit of our kababayans who've been affected by Typhoon Ulysses. To you both and to your fans, maraming salamat. Okay?
Tito Boy, thank you so much din po sa pag-imbita sa amin.
Yes, but no, I was talking about what was that, Kari? You did something like the Four Bad Boys, if I'm wrong.
Yes po.
Talk about it. What was that?
The Four Bad Boys and Me po.
Who were the bad boys?
During quarantine, nagawa po namin siya. The Four Bad
Oo
Boys
nga.
and Me po.
Sino yung mga kasama mo doon, Kari?
Bad Boys, isa po si Riz, si Jeremiah.
Reese?
Yes po. Jeremiah, si Kuya Mark Rivera, and Aljon Mendoza po.
Wow. Diba? And right now, what are you guys doing together? I mean, are you, aside from loving each other as friends,
Wow.
what are you guys up to? What are you guys up to, Riz?
For me, I'm just getting used to being back in the Philippines. Just getting back, getting used to getting used to the time change and everything.
Right.
So still jet lag, and hopefully starting taping soon with Kauri for He's Into Her. So super excited about that. So abangan nyo rin yung He's Into Her, guys.
Wow. What is that again? I'm sorry. I didn't get you, Riz. I'm sorry.
He's Into Her.
Yes.
Series namin.
Okay. Kauri?
Ako, Tito Boy, nandito na rin po ako sa Manila ngayon. Kababalik ko lang din. Last month. And then, ayun, nag-aantay nga po ako para sa He's Into Her din. Kasama sila Riz din.
Oh, pero kayo ba nasasanay na sa bagong pamamaraan sa the protocols when you guys shoot for movies? Have you gotten used to it, Kauri? We're having some.
Sorry po, Tito Boy. Sorry po.
Sabi ko, nasasanay ka na? Nasasanay na kayo on the way things are being done these days because of the pandemic, the protocol requirements. Nasasanay na kayo?
Ako, Tito Boy, parang unti-unti nasasanay na. Pero minsan sa internet connection, Tito Boy, medyo mahirap pa din kasi minsan naglalag, minsan mahina yung connection. So siguro sa internet connection na lang ako minsan hindi ako mapakali minsan, Tito Boy, sa internet connection kasi iniisip ko every time na may guesting na digital, ganyan, parang sana okay yung internet connection ko, ganyan.
Pero, Riz, we never had problems when we were doing our classes, so even if you were out of the country.
Yes.
Riz.
Hello? Hello?
Hi, Riz. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Ay, naglalag ata.
Can you hear me, Riz? Problema sa
Hello?
internet connection every time we
Hello?
do our classes, even if you were out of the country.
Oh, yes.
Hello?
Yes,
Can you
yes.
hear me? No, I was saying,
Yeah.
when we were doing our hosting classes out of the Kakaruntod tayo. Okay. All right. Kauri, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes po, Tito Boy, I can hear you po.
Hi, Kauri. Ayun, very good. Sabi ko nga kay Riz kanina, when we were doing our classes, he was out of the country, but it seemed like you were just in the Philippines. Dahil magandang internet connection where you were?
Sometimes, but also
Yeah.
we had to upgrade our Wi-Fi actually in the States kasi naglalag din siya sa mga guestings ko, so I had to get a new Wi-Fi sa States kasi naglalag din siya.
Pero may nangyari ba, Riz, in the past na nagbigla ka na lang nawala kasi mahinang wifi?
Yes, yes, meron.
May lag talaga. Okay. Ikaw, Kauri, has it happened to you that you were in a show and then bigla ka na lang nawala because the internet connection is very weak?
Meron, Tito Boy, meron po. Parang biglang namatay yung wifi namin. Biglang namatay. Tapos, ay, oh my gosh, kailangan bumalik kagad. Ganyan po.
Mag-join ulit sa Zoom.
Minsan, biglang nalulobot din yung phone ko nung hindi ko alam. Ganun po, Tito Boy.
I wanted to ask you this. Kasi kanina, si Raymond asked me about the intangibles, yung charisma. Alam natin na may mga bagay na hindi natin pinaplano. Like, bigla na lang, you're appreciated by your audiences. Your fans, your supporters are strongly supporting your tandem. Na tinatanong niyo ba, what is it that we have, Kauri? What is it that we have, Riz, that they like? Do you sometimes wonder?
Sometimes I do wonder that question, Tito Boy, and
Opo,
actually I
Tito
get yes, and sometimes actually I get lots of people that tell us kind of what you were saying earlier, yung mga intangibles, and some people will just say, I don't really know why you two or something, but like you all just have the chemistry and you all look good together on screen. But sometimes people they don't know what to say. They're just like, basta, like you're good together. They don't really know what to say, and sometimes I don't really know exactly why either. But I feel like I don't know, may connection them.
Kauri,
Opo, Tito
what do you want to
Boy,
say?
Napapatanong din ako, Tito Boy, minsan. Parang, paano nila nakikita kung may chemistry yung dalawang tao? Paano nila nakikita na bagay sila? Ganyan po. Yun nga yung
That's
charisma.
true.
Hindi ko, Tito Boy, alam kung paano.
Minsan kasi hindi iniisip yon. Minsan talaga mga bagay na hindi na plano. Pero meron, yung tama ka, Riz, people would say, you look good together. There's something about the two of you that's lovely, that's magical. Yun yung sinasabi ko nila that these are things that you can't plan. These are things that you don't say step 1, step 2. By the time you go to step 3, you got it. Hindi ganun, di ba?
Yeah.
No, but how do you feel that people are shipping the both of you?
I feel like it's just kind of like how you said, it's something that was completely unplanned. Like me and Kauri, we went into PBB together. And, what are the chances that me from the States and her from Japan both came to the Philippines and both went on the same show? Out of ilang thousands nag-audition sa PBB, we ended up being in the same season together. And I feel like it's super unplanned, but also it's such a big blessing in disguise. And also one of the best unplanned things that happened is, our relationship together, our people shipping us together. And I feel like it's super unplanned, but super, super good things have happened because of it.
As a career, super welcome, di ba? I mean, this is a kind of blessing that you welcome. But I have a personal question. I mean, because the chemistry is there. The chemistry is there. You look good together. It's lovely to watch the both of you together. Is there I mean, of course, this is a fan asking. Is there a possibility that it will go into a different level? This is a question for Riz, of course.
Okay. For me, okay. For me, syempre, depende din kay Kauri yan. But I feel like right now, we're just really working and getting to know each other. But, of course, I feel like there's, nothing's impossible, syempre. So, yan lang yung sasabihin ko ngayon, guys.
My follow-up question to that, given the chance, manliligaw ka ba?
Paano ko nalaman na yan yung susunod na tanong mo? Tignan natin, Kuya Boy. Tito Boy, tignan natin, Tito Boy.
Naghihintay kami, syempre. We are your fans. Kauri, habang naririnig mo si Riz na nagsasalita tungkol sa chemistry and this is something that was unexpected, unplanned. Anong naglalaro sa iyong isipan?
Parang, Tito Boy kasi hindi namin napag-uusapan ni Riz na, uy, may chemistry tayo, ganyan, kung paano kami. Parang, siguro natural na lang sa amin kung ano talaga kami, ganyan. Narinig ko
Nagkakahiyaan
sa kanya
kayo?
ngayon, parang, ay, wow. Po,
Ano
Tito
sabi
Boy,
mo?
sorry po.
Anong sabi mo yung last mong sinabi? Anong sabi mo?
Ano lang yung sinabi? Oh my gosh.
Ganito na lang, hypothetical.
Last
How
ko
old are you now, Cowdy? How old are you now, Cowdy?
Ako po 20, Tito Boy, 20.
Hypothetical, halimbawa, niligawan ka, may balak kang ligawan ni Riz. Anong sasabihin mo? Nakangiti si Riz, oh. Kinikilig kami eh.
Ano pong sasabihin ko? Sorry, Tito Boy talaga yung internet ko po eh. Sorry talaga, Tito Boy.
No, I mean, how do you, because people are shipping you. Bagay, nakakakilig kayong dalawa, ang sarap-sarap yung panooring pareho, and then, wala lang, kinikilig lang. You make people happy just by being together, by just being, a tandem, working together. You make a lot of people happy. So, I know, I'm a fan. So the next question is, Kauri, halimbawa lang, nagparamdam sa'yo, may pag-asa ba?
May pag-asa ba? Tito Boy, sa totoo lang, hindi ko rin po alam. Kasi ako mismo, parang hindi ko pa Tito Boy talaga naiisip. Kasi parang sobrang dami mo ng priorities. Pero kung darating mo sa point na yun, siguro, tingnan natin, Tito Boy, katulad nga ng sabi ni Riz, tingnan natin.
Nako, aabangan namin yung tingnan natin na yan. Di ba? But what are you most excited about? I know we're in the middle of the pandemic, nagkabagyo, but somehow we find some reasons to be happy, di ba? Because it's also responsibility to make our families happy, our neighbors, our kababayans. What do you guys do to be happy? What do you guys do to feel good these days?
Do to feel good.
Ikaw, Riz.
Ako po,
Kauri.
Tito Boy. Ako, Tito
Go ahead,
Boy.
Kauri.
Hanggat kaya ko makapagpasaya ng tao, kunwari sa lives, ganyan, sa mga live, pag sarili ko live, ganyan, parang masaya na rin ako, Tito Boy, kapag nakakapagpasaya ako ng ibang tao. And then, yung mga family ko, nandiyan naman sila, at pinapasaya, parang, pag may problema, nandiyan sila, masasandalan ko, mga friends ko rin, na nandiyan din para patawanin ako. So, sa kanila ako, Tito Boy, humuhugot din ng lakas para lumaban din at araw-araw, kahit na ganito pinagdadaanan natin. Sila yung nagiging inspiration ko, motivation ko, Tito Boy.
That's true. Riz, ikaw.
For me, it's pretty much the same thing, just my family and my friends and just really being there for other people. I'm really a big people pleaser, so if other people are happy, it makes me happy and it brightens my day too. So I always try to follow yung golden rule na treat others as you want to be treated. I always like that rule. And I just feel like that's one way to make me happy, and how I've been able to stay happy is just, share with others and try to brighten up other people's days also, and work on yourself and focus on yourself and your family and yung mga priorities mo, and I feel like that's what's making me happy.
And what makes a lot of people happy also is when we are in a public space, we are public figures, and when we're able to help, pag nakakatulong tayo sa kapwa, lalo na itong mga nasalanta ng nakaraang bagyo. And all our shows here in Kumu, yung mga palabas, the best talk, lahat ng mga regalo, your fans are very generous. I know I can't see it, but sana'y maraming salamat sa iyong mga tagahanga for helping, dahil your virtual gifts will go a long, long way. Diba?
Yes, it'll make a lot of people happy.
You realize that, Kauri, na napaka-generous ng mga followers, ng mga fans niyo, ni Riz.
Yes po, Tito Boy. Parang, ano po ba? Nung nakarang araw po kasi nakarang linggo, nagre-repack din sila ng mga relief goods na
That's right.
papadala sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo. Parang halos lahat ng fandom, bawat fandom Tito Boy, nagkukumod din sila, para makapag-ipon ng donation mula sa viewers. And then yun yung ginagamit, yun yung binibigay din nila sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo. And then sobrang galing lang din ng mga ideas na ginagawa nila kasi talagang gumagawa sila ng paraan para makahelp sa mga kababayan, sa mga kapamilya natin na naapektuhan nga ng bagyo, Tito Boy.
Oh, Kauri, ano ang madalas mong marinig sa mga fans nyo? Ano yung madalas silang hinihiling sa'yo? Sana kayo na ni
Hinihingi sa
Riz,
akin?
ganon?
Sorry, Tito Boy, ano po yan?
Ano, yung madalas na hinihiling ng mga fans sa inyo, nasasabihan ka ba ng mga fans mo na, Kauri, sana kayo na ni Riz?
Hindi ko naman yun nababasa, Tito Boy. Pero siguro kasi meron kami napapag-usapan ni Riz minsan na halimbawa magbabasketball kami pero hindi pa namin natutuloy. So yung mga ganung bagay, Tito Boy, yun yung mga hinihingi nila. Yung picture nyo together, kailangan kayo magkakape, kailangan kayo magbabasketball. Yung mga ganung, Tito Boy.
Talaga, kailan kayo magbabasketball, Riz? When do you plan to do this?
Ako I'm not sure kasi may COVID, pero baka naman sa he's into her set, baka pwede kung may basketball scene or kung ano naman.
Ano yan? One-on-one? One-on-one sa basketball?
Yes, Tito
Yan
Boy.
yung gusto ng
Kasi
fans.
basketball player siya. Nagbabasketball din sa Japan.
Yeah, but you haven't played together. Not yet. You're just planning
Not
to play.
yet.
Not yet. Pero you have no idea who the better player is.
Feeling ko may advantage ako, Tito Boy, kasi mas matangkad ako kaysa kanya.
Papayod ka, Kauri. Mas magaling daw siya kasi may advantage. She's taller.
Tito Boy, pero kasi mas malaki siya sa akin, so may possibility na mas mabilis ako tumakbo kaysa sa kanya. Tito
Ayun!
Boy.
Oo, daanin mo sa agility, ika nga, di ba?
Puro ako sa kanya.
But who do you think is a better shooter?
Sino ba, Riz? Sino ba?
And
Pili ko, Tito Boy,
I haven't seen you shoot yet, so I don't know.
You guys promise that when you play basketball, you'll come back to the show and we'll talk about it, ha?
Oh, sige, deal.
Yes, Tito Boy. Abangan ko yan.
Oo, dapat sinong maganda sa defense at saka sa offense. You'll have to have a complete story on how you guys will do it. But I'm just so proud of you guys. I'm just so proud of what you're doing.
Thank you.
Magpasalamat kayo sa inyong mga fans, sa inyong mga supporters. Go ahead, Riz and Kauri, and please thank them for all the virtual gifts
Yes.
that they gave us tonight. Please.
Thank you to all the solid Reese and to all the solid Cowries and all the solid Cowries for donating all the gifts. And thank you so much to Tito Boy for having us here. And thank you for everyone donating. It's all going to the typhoon victims. So guys, please donate. And thank you so much if you already did donate, guys.
Kauri?
Ayan, thank you so much po. Siyempre, una sa lahat, Tito Boy, maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita sa amin dito. Sa mga viewers, sa mga fans, sa mga supporters po ng Cowries, maraming salamat po sa solid Cowries, solid Reese. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng virtual gifts. Ayan, para po sa mga kababayan natin na naapektuhan din ng pagyo. And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Last question. What is your dream as a team together? Napapag-usapan nyo, anong yung pangarap bilang love team, bilang partners? What is your dream?
I don't think we've talked about it so much yet, but I think our dream would just be to be successful together and be able to, be one of those love teams, like they say, oh, you could be like the, love team or love team. Hopefully one day, kami sa ganun na level. Yan yung dream ko para sa atin.
Kauri?
Nakamute ka, Kao.
Kauri.
Kauri, nakamute ka.
Ay, sorry po.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Kauri.
Okay na po. sorry po. Ayun din nga po namin gano'n na pag-uusapan din ni Liz. Pero ako naisip ko, sana maging successful nga. And sana, ayun katulad nga ng ibang love teams din na, na sobrang successful din ngayon. And ayun, parang para sa amin dalawa, mas marami kami matutunan din sa isa't isa sa mga experience, ganyan. Mas makilala namin yung isa't isa lalo.
Ako rin, yun ang wish ko. Sana you get to know each other better. At sana'y maging maligaya kayo pareho. Ay, para namang you're about to get married. No, I'm joking. I really hope you guys make it. I hope you all the dreams, all the desires of your heart come true. You're good guys, and I can only wish you the best. And thank you for being here tonight. And sa inyong mga fans, sa inyong mga supporters, sa lahat ng sumama ho sa atin dito sa The Best Talk, dito po sa Kumu, lahat ng mga Kumuners. Maraming salamat. You know, I'm still inside my car. I haven't even reached, can you imagine, I haven't even reached Alabang. I've been inside my car for like 6 hours now.
Wow.
Isang patunay na mabait ang Diyos. Sabi nga natin, whatever happens, the show must go on. And I'd like to thank the both of you. I'd like to thank Lovelyn, Raymond, and the one and the only John Lloyd Cruz. Maraming salamat. At higit sa lahat, sa inyong mga nagmamasid, nakikinig, nakikipagkwentuhan, nakikipagkulitan sa amin, at sa lahat ng inyong mga virtual gifts. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. We hope to see you again next Saturday, 9 o'clock in the evening for The Best Talk. Dito lamang po sa Kumu. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Thank you,
Thank
Riz.
you.
Thank you, Kauri.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Bye-bye. You guys take care.
You too.